Hey Zamaria, so here's the basic ring, and I'm just going to go through each instruction one step at a time and read it, and hopefully you're trying to do this on your own too. And so if you get stuck, that's okay. Just try to continuously problem solve, and then if that still doesn't work, I'm happy to make a video for you. So it says, drag a cylinder to the work plane and make it a hole. So drag a cylinder, here's my cylinder, to the work plane. And then right now it's a solid. It says I need to make it a hole. So I click on hole. And now let's move on to step number 2. The cylinder should be scaled to fit the finger it is made for. I don't know what your finger size is, but let's just say for this example it's going to be 17 millimeters. So if I click on the corner white box there, that's going to say how wide it is and the depth there. So I'm going to change this number to 17. And this number to 17. That'll be how thick it is. And then drag a cylinder shape to make to the work plane. This will make the outside of the ring. So I'm going to drag another cylinder here and just put it next to it for right now. Go to next. And then we're going to scale the cylinder to be 4 millimeters larger than what we had before. So our last one it said was 17 millimeters. So it's going to now be, well, plus 4. So I need to make it 21 millimeters. So same thing, I click on that white box on the outside, make it 21, make this 21, and then go on to next. And so now I'm going to put this, it needs to be a height of 4 millimeters, it says. So I'm going to click on this top one here, and you can see it's saying from the bottom to the top, it's a height. Right now it's 20. We want it to be 4 millimeters. And I'll do the same thing over here. Keep both items selected and group them together. So I'm going to drag this to be on top. And I believe that, let me move it down. That looks pretty good. Okay, so I'll then group them together. So to do that, I'm going to click and highlight both of them together. So you can see now it says there are 2 shapes selected. And then I can go to group. And so there's my ring. And then rotate the ring so it is standing up on the work plane. So let's rotate. Let's see how you can rotate it however you want, but just getting it to rotate, and then you can bring it up, and that's it. So this is how you do the ring. Click next, and voila, done. So hopefully you're able to get through that. Let me know if you have other questions.